self-carving trees in your mind? Is it a shoe here? There is. Shop, fruit and vegetables. Yes. What do you think? What would you say there? What's the English word for you? You think chemist. Hundreds of different types of sweets. There is, I think there's maybe 3 or 4 almonds. Those shops, candy shops. Stand up. You see what I'm doing? What? And then turn it the other way. Hold it down. Join up all these lines. Can I borrow that one? Emma? But it's kind of cool.
You want fireman? Yeah.